Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about how to solve these three separate exponential inequalities here. So let's start with the first one. The first one says e to the power of 3x is greater than 5. And we want to get x on one side and everything else on the other side. So how we're going to do that is we're going to start by lawning both sides in order to get rid of the e. So for my next step, I'm going to write ln e to the 3x is greater than ln 5. All right. Next, I'm going to cancel out the ln and the e, so we end up with just 3x is greater than ln 5, because recall that ln and e are, they're opposites. They cancel each other out. And then I'm going to divide by 3. So therefore, x is greater than ln 5 over 3. And that would be our final answer. Now, if they did want a decimal approximation, we could type this in a calculator and say ln 5 equals, and then divided by 3 and get about 0.536 approximately and put that in as well. Or we could just leave it as the exact answer of x is greater than ln 5 over 3. Okay, let's solve this next one here. This next one is 2 to the power of x plus 1 is less than or equal to 8. So something I noticed right off the bat is that 8 can be rewritten as 2 cubed. So that means that 2 to the power of x plus 1 is less than or equal to 2 cubed. Now that the bases are the same, we can just get rid of them and say, well, that means that x plus 1 must be less than or equal to 3. And then I can subtract 1 from both sides to get that x is less than or equal to 2. And there's our final answer. The third one is pretty similar to that as well. I noticed that 3 cubed is equal to 27, so I can rewrite this as 3 to the power of x minus 1 is less than 3 cubed. That means that x minus 1 itself is less than 3, because we can get rid of both bases here. And then I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And when I do that, I get that x is less than 4, and that's the final answer for that one. All right, well, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.